So a lot of people have problems getting rid of their IFAs. They basically have problems saying to anybody who's costing them money, ruining their lives, destroying their pensions, would you please stop doing that? It's a very British thing. You bump into somebody in the street, or rather somebody bumps into you in the street or pours hot boiling coffee over you, and you're the first one to apologize, or I'm so sorry my lap got in the way of your scalding coffee and now I won't be able to have children. It's just a British thing. We just apologize. I'm sorry my Poland got in the way of your German invasion. That kind of thing. We weren't always like that. Now, if you do have a problem with asking HR why your workplace pension stinks, asking your employer why they chose such a poor, impoverished bunch of rogues and reprobates to manage your workplace pension, or your IFA as to how many questions were in the multiple choice that they needed to fill in order to get their regulatory license to be called a financial advisor, then have a look at some of my YouTube videos, which will help you what is known colloquially as to grow a pair, and for the men amongst you to man up and speak to the IFA and use the words which are so popular on the BBC. You're fired. Have a look at those YouTube videos, alpeshpatel.com/links.